also interesting, whenever they use the word desire, kamaha, whenever they use the word Sanskrit word kamaha, which is desire, it is always used in a negative connotation. Always. As a thumb rule in the Shastras, எப்போது they use the word kamaha, it's only selfish. And whenever they use the word goal or an ideal, it is unselfish. These are the terms they use. So we need to understand their language. Now, when we say Rajas is running behind, I have got this, I am yet to get that. I have enjoyed this, I am yet to enjoy that. Other day I was in company of someone, and a couple of them, and the entire evening, believe me, I found myself out of place. Because all they were talking about, I have acquired that, I am eyeing this, I am going to get this, I want to get that, I am going to get this much from it, I am going to clinch that. That's all. What a deal I clinched there. This patch of land I'm going to get. This is the hot cake now. You must be in this land business. This is the business. This is the everything. All the while they are craving for something. See, what is inside comes out, no? You can't hide it. And my guru also used to say this, and it is the reality also. If I want you to speak the truth, what's in your mind, give you a few drinks, they say. The truth comes out. And we laid a condition, we will meet without, you people do what you want to do and then come and meet with us. And they trapped us. 5 of us, 2 fellows are drinking, 3 fellows are teetotalers. But other 2 joined in the discussion because they all same mentality. I was a odd man out. What I'm not complaining at them. I'm only trying to mention this is what you see outside. It's not that they've not found success. It's not that they don't have wealth. It's not that they don't have properties. It's not that they they've reached certain levels in their lives. But yet it is that obsessive desire. It is that as if you're on fire. Is that kind of craving, is that kind of greed, is like you leave a bone beyond the reach of a dog. Enna avudhu sir? The dog is hungry. You kept the dog hungry for 2 days. Anga or bone vechinga. And it is just beyond the reach of the dog. And you will see the saliva also dripping. It wants it desperately. It is hungry. I can sense that wild dogs mentality in them. You can't do without it, I want it, and somehow I want to get it. So when someone is in that kind of acquiring mode, proprietary mode, what does it do? You said satisfaction? Absolutely, it doesn't exist in the dictionary. There is no question of satisfaction. There is no question of any peace or contentment. What it only produces, a lot of anxiety, a lot of it comes along with it. You are jealous at someone who has got something better placed, or he has got that order. I wish I had it. My company missed it. Somehow I need to manipulate things, and if I can somehow reverse that thing, get that. So that kind of you get into a crude mentality. You don't mind entertaining any negative emotions. You can harbor that. But Karma Yoga is completely devoid of that. And in fact, wherever you are in Rajasic mode, you find yourself, you are highly insecure. You can't find yourself at peace, at ease. It causes a lot of discomfort. In fact, you will be finding it very challenging to manage your own feelings and thoughts within you. Very, very difficult. It's like something is acidic in you, it's causing a gastric upset. Similarly, these thoughts becomes toxic. Anything toxic has its own effect on you, isn't it? So any selfish thoughts are very toxic in nature. It causes a lot of disturbance. It compels you to commit sin.